Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to download and use a screen recording software known as Bandicam. So for those of you who don't actually know what Bandicam is, as I've said, it's a screen recording software that works on low-end to high-end PCs. And as far as I know, it only works on Windows. So without any further hesitation, let's jump right into this tutorial. Alright everybody, so this is the official Bandicam download page, and as you can see, you've got between two options. So you can download the free version, or you can get the full version. For those of you who are looking to get the full version for some reason, I've got a video coming out about that soon, so stay tuned for that. So essentially just click the free download, and as you can see, it only works on Windows. And basically just click download Bandicam, and as you can see, it's downloading right there. And let's just open it. And typically you're going to get the "do you want to allow this app to make changes, blah blah blah," click yes. Please select the language, English obviously. Welcome to Bandicam. So this is the actual setup wizard, so just click next. I agree. Well, you can choose wherever you want. Next. And obviously you can choose your destination folder. I'm going to leave it as default. Install. And just get yourself a cup of coffee or whatever, and just wait for it to install essentially. And as you can see, Bandicam has been installed, so I'm just going to click finish and it should load up. And as you can see, this is the interface you are greeted with when you open up Bandicam. So you choose between these options of video, image. You can even capture images on you, which is quite cool, I think. And as you can see, you go between these options, so you can record your webcam, you can record gaming and all that stuff in case you're a gaming YouTuber. And obviously the main one, screen recording mode, so you can either go full screen or on your mouse. You got all these options here, and you got the volume. You can change your microphone, text as well. So in order to be able to actually screen record, you got to pick between these options: so screen recording mode and so you can drag across the screen and everything else. You can just choose how long. So just click start recording. Okay, everyone. So this is Bandicam screen recorder, and there's nothing much to really say over here, so that's essentially it for that. And that's it. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to download and use Bandicam screen recorder. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then please do not hesitate to leave them down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.